it's time I pack my hospital bag.
This is my 6th kid in 8 years. I make a trip to the hospital about once a year, so I don't pack much. First things first, you're going to want to bring a going home outfit for you and baby. My last 3 babies were over 10 pounds and did not fit into the newborn size I brought for them. I never know what size your baby's gonna actually be. However, I'm pretty sure this is a 10-pound baby. So maybe bring a newborn size and a 0 to 3 month size onesie for your baby. Going home outfit for mama needs to be flowy because you will be going home in a diaper. If it's really hot, I'll just wear a flowy dress home or comfortable loungewear that's flowy. I really like this set. I wear it pregnant too. They're truly high-waisted pants and they're flowy enough to where I can wear a diaper comfortably. And the top is also a little bit flowy, which is something you want because your tummy's not gonna go down right away. I was just bringing your own toiletries so you can feel a bit more comfortable. These are the items I would recommend packing into your toiletry bag. Now, if you're like me and you don't want to pack every little item, I will buy a travel case with everything in it for just the basics like shampoo, conditioner, toothbrush. That is like truly all you need. The hospital will provide everything else, but these are things that have made my stay much more comfortable. A stroller fan. Why a stroller fan, you ask? Because it has these little legs that can wrap around the hospital bed so you can get this blowing right on your face, which is exactly what you're gonna want when you're going through all those hormones and experiencing some hot flashes. Of course, your charger, but get a 10-foot charging cable. Hospitals are 24/7. There's always going to be commotion going outside your door, so I highly suggest bringing earplugs. So when I need to get some rest, my husband will be on baby duty, and then I'll pop those in so I can get some form of quality sleep. Now this is so extra, but it definitely helps me sleep. So I bring my white noise machine. This one has a real fan inside, so it kind of fills the whole room. Your room is going to have lights on in random spots that you can't turn off, like on the monitors and things like that. So I would suggest bringing a nice sleep mask. I always suggest to bring a nightlight with you. You don't want to be flipping on those big fluorescent lights every time you have to do a diaper change in the middle of the night or check on the baby. I really like this one because it's super lightweight, portable, and has different dimming settings. Comfortable nursing bras that you can sleep in. This one might be a little extra too, but I like to bring actual pajamas. Once they're done checking you postpartum, they're done checking down there, they're done pushing on your stomach, you'll be able to wear what you want. These nightgowns are loose, they're soft, and they're breastfeeding friendly. I just sleep better when I'm in my pajamas too. Should you bring your own birthing, labor, hospital gown? The total personal preference. I've given birth in hospital gowns and it's been fine. I've also given birth in a Lila labor and postpartum birthing gown and it's nice. She was a labor and delivery nurse, so these gowns have thought of everything and you look cute wearing them. If you do bring your own gown, I would highly suggest having a gown that you birth in because there's gonna be some poop and blood and some other fluids on it, and then a gown that you're gonna be in postpartum. Also get a little matching swaddle and hat for your baby. Now this one might be a little controversial, but I bring pacifiers with me. Well, what about snacks? That's on my husband. My husband's responsible for packing his own bag and little extra things like that. I got enough to worry about. But these are just my preferences. I would love to hear what yours are.